it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to our last day of reveals. So our box of the month is releasing May 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. Can't wait to see you there. So I've shared 4 videos plus this video revealing each product in the box. So you can go back to the other previous videos to check out what I've made with the contents in your box. So yesterday's video, I made this beautiful lemon card. The sentiment says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So I used one of the stamp sets. I used the paper lemon brightness that comes in your box, and these really pretty sparkly enamel dots are your free with 60. These are brand new to the shop. These will coordinate very well with a lot of our collections, but especially with the brand new Let's Get Cool release. So that was just released on April 22nd. If you haven't grabbed anything from the release, it's available on the site. You'll see that when shopping on May 1st. The enamel dots coordinate with both the paper pads in that collection. The 2 paper pads, the one's called Poolside and the other one is called Cool Treats. They both have coordinating ephemera as well. So for today's reveal, I am revealing the last stamp set in the box. It's called Strawberry Goodness. There will be a coordinating die available. The dies are limited. If you want the die, grab it on the 1st. Shop earlier for best selection. The dies do cut out the images plus the sentiments. I also have an add-on that will be available for purchase on May 1st. This is the Strawberry Doodle 6x6 background stamp. So this stamp does not come in your box. It will be available for a separate purchase. Really, really fun. So we'll see if I have time to create a background with this. So let's take a closer look at the stamp set. We have a lot of strawberry goodness going on with this stamp set, and even the sentiment strawberry goodness. We've got jam and then this yummy like sandwich cake with strawberries inside, whipped cream on top, strawberry milk, strawberry ice cream, some hearts. We've got a cake, a loaf cake. We've got a strawberry drink, 2 of them. One's more like an iced drink, and this one is more like a smoothie or a shake. And we've got the sentiments. Hope your birthday is pretty sweet. Treat yourself. You're my jam. Life is short. Make it sweet. And then strawberry goodness. So really cute set. Goes really nicely with this background stamp. So I might want to use that in the card today. Check out the previous videos to see the beautiful strawberry collection that's in your box. It is gorgeous on top of the lemon collection. Since I don't have the large Misty, I'm going to use my glass mat to hold my stamp. It sticks on there very, very well. I'm going to use some VersaFine or Versamark to do some embossing. I'm going to use white, and we're going to do a little bit of ink blending, ink resist technique. So I'm just going to stamp this up, and then I'm going to put my paper right over the top. Since I'm only going to be able to do 1 stamping, since I don't have a Misty, I want to make sure I have a good coverage because I won't be able to stamp it twice in the same spot. And hopefully my Versamark pad is still sticky. I haven't used it in a long time. So I'm going to take my paper, and I got to remember which side did I put the embossing anti-stick powder on. That I forgot. I better do it again. So you're going to want to do this unless you want little stray marks everywhere. So I'm just going to swipe it across And then I'm going to take it and just lay it down. Now I can take something and push over the top. Let's see, maybe this will work. I'm going to take my finger and just rub across. And then I'm just going to peel it away. And hopefully this works. So let's get out the powder. I'm going to get this out of the way so there's no powder falling on top of it. And then I want to just pour this on top. And then I need something to catch all my powder so I can put it back into my bottle. Now I'm going to heat set this with my gun, melt all the powder. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's see how we did. And move this out of the way, clean up some of this powder. I'm going to let this heat up just a little bit. Okay, I think I heated that up enough. That looks really cool. So once I put the ink on it, it's gonna look really nice. So I like this stamp because it's got little, in the design, it's got little splatters all over the place. So like if you do this technique and you get little strays, you're not gonna see them because it's little strays are actually part of the design. So I think that is really great. So that looks really pretty, just white on white like that. That'd be a really pretty background. But I'm going to add color so you can see how pretty the design is. And hopefully I heat that up enough. I'm going to stamp out 2 of the images and the hearts. I'm using RV29, R27, and R17 for my strawberries. I'm gonna just start the coloring and then I'm gonna color the rest off camera and we'll get to the ink blending. I'm bringing in my panel so I could put the color down because I kind of want to match the coloring to how this turns out. I'm going to start off with candied apple on the bottom. And now we can see that beautiful pattern. And then I'm going to move into picked raspberry and then kitsched flamingo. And then I'm going to kind of fade this out because I don't want my background to be super dark. So some areas are going to be darker than others. And then I want to add in salvage patina. So I'm going to use a big brush for that because I want that to be very light. And I'm just going to fade that into the like white. Just like that. Just a hint. And I'm going to fade this one out just a little bit more. There. I think that looks really pretty. So I added a little water. I was going to clean up my mess, but then I saw the puddle of ink and I thought I could splotch that on for a really cool effect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and let that dry. I'm going to take my white Jelly Roll pen and fill in the little circles on the strawberries. I'm just going to put a little dot. I thought this was easier than trying to color around the circles. Okay, I have my sentiment, my little hearts. Before I put my panel down, I want to take a Love from Lizzie peel off strip at the bottom of my card. This will be something for my images to kind of sit on. Okay, now I'm going to glue my panel down. I have a layer of white. Okay, I'm going to let this dry with my magnets on there so it dries nice and flat. Okay, so I'm going to add my images. They have foam tape on the bottom. I'm going to add them right here to the line. We're going to have this probably right there, and then the little hearts. So I'm going to put this one down first. So if you're new to the channel, the box of the month is a subscription box. By choosing monthly for your frequency at checkout, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. You just don't get the additional discount. I also do send out exclusive coupon codes for the club members, so you'll receive that in your box. Don't forget to check out the other subscriptions that we offer. You'll see all that on the subscription page. I'm also going to add a few enamel dots and add some glossy accents to the strawberries. So let's add a few of these. I think they go perfect with the strawberry theme. Okay, so now let's add a little bit of glossy accents to the strawberries. This card is looking very, very yummy. And be careful with this, it comes out kind of quickly. Okay, that looks yummy. I think I'm going to do that to these little white bubbles. Okay, so that completes the card today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. and I hope to see you on the 1st. We are doing an inspiration hop and giveaway on May 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time, the same time as your release day. So head on over to the shop, check out all the new goodies, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I always appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. I always appreciate that. That helps the video get seen to more people. Share the video, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications. I always appreciate your support, and I will see you guys again in the next video, and see you on release day. Bye, guys.